Let's learn how to do VLOOKUP on a spreadsheet in 4 steps. This is part 16 of Back to School Bootcamp for Spreadsheets. VLOOKUP is a function used in either Excel or Google Sheets to retrieve data matching on whatever data you have. If you've never used this before, you're gonna tell me, that sounds like a bunch of crap. The easiest way to understand VLOOKUP is to think about 2 data sets. I have a table with a bunch of character names and what house of Hogwarts they are part of. And then I have a smaller list that has the character names, but I don't have the houses for them. So I want to grab the house information from the longer list and put into the shorter list, matching on the name of the characters. To do that, you're going to do equal VLOOKUP, and then 1, what is that I am looking for? In this case, I'm looking for the value in B3. 2, what is my source data? What's the range that has the data I am trying to retrieve? That is going to be columns B and C on that second tab. It's important that the range must start on the column that has the value you are going to match on. 3, what column from that range are you trying to retrieve? Here's as simple as I have 2 columns, so I want the second column. And you're going to use true or false as the 4th value in this formula. To say I only want an exact match, then you're going to use false. But if you're okay with a similar match, then you can do true. Here under Tom Riddle, I'm going to change that to true, and this will pick up the value from Tom Marvolo Riddle from the second tab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to follow for more.